Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, children. This is Firdous Sir with the chapter area related to circles. Today, as we are doing area related to circles, the second exercise, I'm going to show you another question. That's the question number 4, the very important question of this exercise. After this question, I hope you will be able to do the rest of the questions. Remaining questions you can do yourself if you have gone through the formulas and other things of this topic related to this topic. The question is like this: a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters subtends a right angle at the center. You see here, I am going to draw a circle. Okay, the question is like a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. See here, suppose this is the chord and it subtends angle 90 degree at the center. Suppose this is the angle. AB is a chord, AOB is the angle subtended by chord AB at the center. Okay? It subtends a 90 degree at the center and its radius is 10 centimeter. Radius is 10 centimeter. You can see here. Okay. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment. You have to find the area of this segment. This is the minor segment. Okay. And rest of the remaining part of this circle, which lies to this side of this chord AB, it is a major segment. Okay. We have to find the area of the minor segment and major sector. That will be decided later on. Okay, you can see here, this is, we have been given two things over here. Radius, that is the solution of the question. You can see here, radius is 10 centimeter and the theta is given 90 degree. Now, area of sector, area of minor sector, isn't it? Equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square, isn't it? Theta is 90 divided by 360. Pi is 20, no, pi is here, 3.14. 3.14 into 3.14. We have to take the pi as like this. This 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 9 1 are 9 4 are 36. So 3.14 into 3.14 divided by 4. We have to calculate this thing over here. We'll be checking this, what this 3.14 is equal to. As I can just see here, this 3.14 into 3.14, that's equal to 9.8596 divided by 4. Let us divide it by 4. It will be equal to 2.4649 centimeter square. This is the area of the minor sector, isn't it? Now, area of triangle AOB equals to 1/2 base into also 10 into 10. Am I right? 2 1 or 2 10 are 2 5 are. Okay, 5 10 are 50 centimeter square. Therefore, area of segment, isn't it? What is the area of segment? That's the area of sector. 2. You can just see here. Go slow.